The invention and use of the atomic bomb have had a profound impact on human history, forever altering the course of warfare in the world. The man credited with inventing the atomic bomb is J. Robert Oppenheimer, an American physicist who led the Manhattan Project during World War II. However, it is essential to acknowledge that the development of the atomic bomb was a collaborative effort involving numerous scientists and engineers from different countries. The history of the atomic bomb dates back to the early 20th century, when scientists began to unravel the mysteries of atomic structure and the potential for harnessing the energy within atoms. In 1938, German chemists Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann discovered the process of nuclear fission, in which the nucleus of an atom is split into two smaller fragments, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. The scientific breakthroughs made by Hahn and Strassmann caught the attention of physicists worldwide, including Albert Einstein, who wrote a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt warning about the possibility of Germany developing a nuclear weapon. This letter prompted the establishment of the Manhattan Project in the United States, a top-secret research program dedicated to developing an atomic bomb before the Nazis could. J. Robert Oppenheimer, a brilliant physicist known for his expertise in quantum mechanics, was appointed the scientific director of the Manhattan Project. Under his leadership, the project brought together a team of scientists and engineers from across the world, including prominent figures like Enrico Fermi, Hans Bethe, and Richard Feynman. The Manhattan Project faced numerous challenges, both scientific and logistical, in its quest to create a working atomic bomb. The project required the construction of massive research facilities and laboratories, including the famous Los Alamos Laboratory in New Mexico. Scientists had to overcome technical obstacles, such as enriching uranium and producing plutonium, the two key materials used in atomic bombs. In July 1945, the successful test of the world's first atomic bomb, code-named Trinity, took place in the New Mexican desert. The explosive power unleashed by the bomb was beyond anyone's imagination, and it marked a pivotal moment in human history. Less than a month later, in August 1945, the United States dropped two atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The bombings resulted in the deaths of approximately 200,000 people, the majority of whom were civilians. The devastation caused by the atomic bombs led to Japan's unconditional surrender, effectively ending World War II. The use of atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki sparked a worldwide debate about the ethical implications and long-term consequences of nuclear weapons. The destructive power of the atomic bomb led to the arms race between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War, with both countries stockpiling thousands of nuclear weapons. In later years, J. Robert Oppenheimer, who initially celebrated the success of the atomic bomb, became an advocate for nuclear disarmament. He famously remarked, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds," quoting Hindu scripture after witnessing the power of the bomb. Oppenheimer's conflicted feelings about his role in creating the atomic bomb and his subsequent activism serve as a reminder of the complex moral questions associated with such destructive weapons. The development and possession of nuclear weapons continue to be significant concerns for global security. Efforts have been made to control the proliferation of nuclear weapons through international treaties and agreements, such as the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons.